Today on CJ Off-Road, we're going to give some more protection to your new JL. If you take your Jeep out on the trail and pick up any rocks or other debris and don't want to hit people behind you with it, then today we're going to be installing these Mopar rear splash guards fitting your new 2018 Jeep Wrangler JL. These Mopar rear splash guards come in a pair to complete both the driver and passenger sides of your new JL. They feature a durable molded black design that's going to match your fender flares and your factory bumper. These splash guards can be painted and they're a super easy installation. So with that being said, let's throw them onto our 2018 JL. Tools needed for this installation: 1/4 inch ratchet, 8mm socket, 1/4 inch drill bit, drill, and a rivet installation tool. To get started with this installation, we've actually removed the wheel and tire just to make it a little bit easier for you guys to see what we're doing. There's an 8mm bolt right back here on the back of the fender area, kind of connects to the bumper, so let's get started removing that. Grab an 8mm socket and remove this bolt here. Hang on to that, you're going to use it when you reinstall the splash guards. Another tip for installing these splash guards is to actually remove these two and work underneath here, and we'll show you what to do. A little trick for getting this installed is to actually remove this and flip it upside down. This is going to give you more distance to grab on with that screw. Once you put the splash guard over that piece of other filler plate, it causes a little bit more gap and it doesn't really grab if you have it like this. So flip that around and you'll be completely fine. It simply pulls off and then pushes back on like that. Now it might look like it's bigger there, but that'll actually protrude through that filler plate and give you enough grab to get into the threads and pull it tight. The next step is going to be to drill out these 3 holes. That way we can install our rivets. I like to pull this tight against the bumper to get this first hole drilled. Use a 1/4 inch drill bit. Line it up. Nice and easy, plastic, it'll go right through. Notice how it popped back. Once you put the rivet in, we'll pull it, get that one installed, then we'll drill the other 2 and get those 2 installed. We have the rivet inside of our rivet gun. This is a pretty nice tool to use when you're doing this. If you don't have one, you can normally borrow from your local auto parts store or hardware store. Makes it super simple, and it even cuts it and gives you a nice clean finish. And with the last rivet installed, make sure you complete the exact same steps on the other side, and that completes your installation. We just finished up the install of the all-new JL Splash Guards on the back of our new Wrangler. These things look really awesome. They match the black of the bumper and the fender, plus it only takes about 30 minutes to get them installed. Now you can find these Splash Guards as well as many other great parts for your brand new JL right here at cjponyparts.com.